have my sister Ashley coming in to get the full look of the bundles. The No Crumbs bundle. This is the first time y'all are seeing the boxes. Tissue paper, stickers, hang tags, everything. Hot and buttered bundle, the toppings, and then right here on the right hand side we have the No Crumbs bundle. Fall 2025, all the trimmings. Served hot. With a little chili pepper. Print. The exclusive hair clip. Buttery tea. It is. Oh my god. The new.
The new.
Served hot. Oh. I didn't put the red. Everything is perfection. Me.